What's up, guys? Hope you guys are well. So in the first video, we worked on the business plan. We gave a rough estimate on, or rough idea on what we want to do, right? Then we went and refined the business presentation, the proposal, the pricing models, all of that. These things are just to give me a sort of a guideline, like a wireframe, basically what I'm going to do, what's next, this is what it's going to look like, and then we're going to start working on all the next steps. So the next step now would be functionality, right? So we said, perfect, I think this is great, I think the pricing model is great, all of that stuff is great. We're moving on to the next step. The next step would be choosing LLMs and APIs, and then design the database. I'm not too sure what this is, but we can figure that out. Also not too sure how to do any of this, but very keen to give this a go. So let's tell it phase 1 API and LM voice Gemini. Okay, design guide me to so okay, let's focus on phase 1. I'll use Python as an example since it's commonly used for backend development. It works well with LLM. Create a project. Okay. Google Generative AI and micro framework building for backend API. You'll need to have access to Gemini API. Visit the Google Cloud Console or the appropriate Gemini Google. Okay. Follow the instructions. Okay, fantastic. API key. The code retrieves Gemini API key. Sick. Okay. So let's ask it, can you create a simple chatbot preview that has some functionality when we can get through the API? Let's see. Let's create a simplified. Okay. How to run this. See, now what I remember from ChatGPT and Claude, they gave you the preview of what it would look like as a canvas or a artifact, which I don't. I like the convenience and the accessibility. Yeah, that sucks. Can you preview the code here? See. No, I am asking to see what the design would look like after the code has been created. Yes. Yes. Ah, see, this is very limiting. So, for instance, let's go to ChatGPT right here. Create a chatbot that's that has a LM baked into it for dealer motorcycle dealership. Leadership can provide following service update, accident restoration updates, inventory stock, new specials, new specials. What else? This can connect the dealership database and track ETAs and imported stock ETA. Create the code for this and have it previewed. There we go. So let's see what it does here, right? Okay, so it's writing all the code that we need. It's really freaking quick, man. And I have no idea what's happening here. You're a hopeful matter. Sick. Front end. Okay. Running preview. Make sure the database. Open in your browser and tap. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's see what it does here. That's not what I wanted. Why is it not? This link not working. Can you preview the chat part here? Yeah, I would like to see the whole functionality of the chatbot. This is cool. Giving you this example. Let's take the prompt, right? Let's take this prompt. Take it to Claude. Create a new project. Chatbot. Let's do that. Let's see. Okay, this is what I meant with this is called artifacts on Claude. It's gonna write all the code, fantastic, blah blah blah. Let's see what it does. See, this is what I wanted to see. This is great. Let's see. It's going to probably ask me to provide any. Let's see if anything works. Do you have any specials? Okay. So now I can go and screenshot this. Paste, yeah. This send function isn't working. Can we also make it that if I were to send a message, it will understand what I'm asking and give the relevant info? I know it doesn't have any database to train on or fetch info, so let it generate any information needs. Okay. Okay, so it's going to rewrite. This is I wish I knew exactly what was going on here so that I could sort of understand. And I think I'll get there the more I mess around with this. Okay, we can now try queries like, do you have any Honda motorcycles? What's the status order? Let's do this. Let's do that. Copy paste. Still not working. Okay. It is working. Waiting for replacement parts. This is super cool. Add more options and make it KTM specific. Add more options to test and also variety to those options. Okay, so I don't want it to. This feels very chatbotty. So with a chatbot, you have predefined triggers and then predefined responses for each appropriate trigger, right? So you can say the chatbot will greet you and then say, give you 4 options: interested in selling, want to book service, collect motorcycle, stock inventory, for example. And if you click one of those 4 options or select one of those 4 options, it will give you a predefined answer. And that in itself is a sort of a chatbot, right? I don't want that approach. I want a more organic, natural approach where the chatbot feels like we're having a conversation with a person. Okay, so the artifact crashed. This is weird. So let's do that. This error. Okay, so I'm just saying this error. It will understand what I'm see there. I see this issue. The problem is we didn't include the components UI code in the last artifact. Let me provide the complete component code to fix this error. So I just told it what happened, or this is what I'm getting. I knew exactly what issue we got. So yeah, right. In the code, right here in the code, you can see what a general chatbot. I'm here to help you with the KTM needs. You can ask about KTM bikes, service information, parts and accessories, current specials. Now that I don't like this part. It feels too chatbotty. So what I should do is say this section feels too much like a chatbot. Could we make it so that the client messaging the chatbot does not need select those specific triggers? Okay, we're going to leave that there. I just want to preview this first. You should now be able to send messages. Okay, hi there. Okay, send. See this? I don't like how this feels. Let's go. Service. Let's see if our info. Okay, so because I didn't type out service information, I typed service info, it didn't recognize it. So information. Okay, so it doesn't work. What I'm going to do here as well is I'm going to type that. I'm going to add this here. And then in the next text, you can see that I typed in a shorthand manner and the bot errored. Why did console open? Errored. Gave, I don't know how to spell error. Gave an error. To understand nuance in responses. So far so good though. Let's see. Let's see what it does. I should have not said in the next text. I should have said in the next image. Here's what I found for service. Current status. Okay, so here we saw that it's now including different types of bike models as well. Here we've got serve, fix, repair, maint. Where did we just see the bikes? Am I daft? Yeah, right. Duke, ADV, RC, XC, Duke. And these are the different types of models that they have, right? Same error again. Well, not same, but you just plop it there. And yeah, we're getting an error because some component definitions are missing. Let me provide a complete working version of the chatbot with all required components properly defined. And I think that's great. I think it's crazy that it's capable of doing that. The thing is, the problem that I have right here, right, is that I'm over reliant. Okay, so got any Dukes? Let's say got any Dukes. Let's put that in. It's not working, brother. The send option isn't working. Stop making this mistake. Okay, so what's frustrating is that we already told it earlier the send button isn't working. Now the send button's not working again. So it's repeating certain mistakes, getting sort of it forgets what it fixed and what it didn't fix. We should make sure that all the this is also one thing that I've heard is that AI's memory is really not good. It's better at handling tasks, but Here it says again. Keywords. Bikes. Yeah. Not working. Still not working. And this is the frustrating part because I'm like, because I have no experience, I'm over reliant on Claude or ChatGPT or any sort of AI code writer. But yeah, I think this is where we're going to end the video, and we'll kick it off here on the next episode. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. If there are any comments on tips and advice, criticism, please throw it through here. Just send it through in the comment section. I am going to read every single one and check it out, and see how I can be better and improve myself. Thanks, guys. Bye.